In this tutorial, you will learn how to turn on power saving mode on your Android phone. You can follow this guide easily, activate it. Let's get started. First thing first, open settings. Once your phone settings is open, scroll down slowly, locate the battery option, tap on it. After this page, you can scroll through the page again, find the power saving option or alternative similar name, simply click on it. Right now this option is turned off by default my phone. Simply tap on the main toggle switch to turn it on. After it's enabled, you can see 2 or 3 different options. Such my phone show up 2 options. Standard, maximum. Select the option if you like. For example, this standard mode is show up battery time 1 day 12 hours. Maximum time is 3 day 1 hour. So I am select the maximum option. If you select anything if you like, that's it, you are done. Thanks for watching.